Is
Shall I
Dhanushya?
start, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, you can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Growth is never by mere chance. It is result of forces working together. A very warm morning to one and all present here. I am Dhanushya V, Student President, Shift 2 from the Department of Accounting and Finance. Now I call upon S. Vedavalli, Department of Accounting and Finance, Shift 2, to start the program with a prayer song.
श्रीमहेश्वरि वासवे नगरीश्वरि कामितातमुलिक्षिब्रोवमुकन्यका परमेश्वरी देवदेवी महेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी भुवनेश्वरी कामवेव मुयल्लवेलकन्यका परमेश्वरी बालचन्द्रगिरिधारिणि भव्यसुन्दररूपिणी वैश्यवंशयशोभिवर्धिनि कन्यका परमेश्वरी श्रीमहेश्वरि वासवी नगरीश्वरि परमेश्वरी कामितातमुलिक्षिब्रूवमुकन्यका परमेश्वरी कन्यका परमेश्वरी.
Thank you, Vedavalli. We feel blessed in a day. I'm here to welcome you all to this motivational session. I take immense pleasure in welcoming the resource person of the day, Mr. C. Arun Kumar, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Corporate Secretaryship, Don Bosco College, Chennai. We welcome you, sir. I also like to welcome our staff members and students to this motivational session. A very warm welcome to our first years. Once again, I welcome you all to this program. Thank you. Over to Vedavalli.
Good morning to one and all. I am S. Vedavalli, Department of Accounting and Finance. I am profusely overwhelmed in introducing our resource person, Mr. C. Arun Kumar, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Corporate Secretaryship, Don Bosco College, Chennai. He completed his undergraduation at Loyola College, Chennai, and his post-graduation from University of Madras, and he holds his MPhil degree from Madras Christian College. He cleared his NTE UGC NET and Tamil Nadu SET in 2018. Currently, he is working as Assistant Professor and Head in the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, Don part-time faculty in the Department at University of Madras, guest lecturer in the Chennai. He is also in the Departments of Accounting and Finance and Bank Management, Vivekananda College, Chennai. He was a former assistant professor and in SRM. He has published his papers in various journals and also has presented papers in various conferences. He has also rendered special lectures in various topics and written books in marketing management, advanced corporate accounting, human resource management, and UGC NET Paper 1. Still, his profile continues, but due to time constraint, I hold it here. Sir, I welcome you to this motivational session. Hope this day really enlightens us with your words. The platform is yours, sir.
Thank you, Vedavalli. Am I audible to everyone? Shall we start today's session?
Yes, sir.
Girls, please answer, ma'am. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In case of any audio issues, please let me know. So we'll start the session for today. Unfortunately, I'm in my college. Here, always there will be some signal issues, like how you are experiencing. But if I was in house, I have my own set of instruments. Unfortunately, I couldn't go there. I'll present the screen now. Kindly pin down, everyone. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
everything is
Yes, sir.
okay. So this is my profile. I think this could motivate you a little bit. I always believe in one thing that a person should not work in one place. A person should work in a minimum of two places. Minimum two places. Whether you are a male, female, married, unmarried, doesn't matter. You should work in two places. Uh, in my case, I actually work in four places as of now, and I have my own academy. But I always keep my assistant professor on the top sometimes. In some cases, like this motivational lecture, I keep my academy on the forward stance. If you look into this part, from morning to night 8 o'clock, I take class. I deal with students more than with my wife. Every day, I get up at 7 o'clock. I start my classes at 8:30, and it goes till 8 o'clock at the night. And I deal with small kids like 12th standard, 11th standard, 10th standard, and I also take classes for 50 years and 60 years. I've taken classes for them because I am handling UGC net for them. Some of them are very old, like 50 years, 55. I take classes for them also. Okay. Ma'am, can you please your audio, ma'am? Uh, ma'am, Pratibha, ma'am, can you just mute
Yes,
your audio? Yes, ma'am.
yes, sir. So one second,
Thank
sir.
you. Okay, so we'll start now.
Sorry.
Yesterday, I was asking my wife regarding what title can I keep for today's webinar because I have never taken any motivational lectures. I used to take only academic oriented programs, and sometimes I take uh, a content oriented one. I don't motivate people. I believe that motivation should happen by a person's work. So I was asking her, and she said, "Why don't you put like let's move forward?" So this is the title for today's program. You can have as such. But remember, I will be focusing on two things. One is academic motivation. The other one is general context. சரிங்களா எனக்கு வந்து இந்த செஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு விஷயம் கிளியராக தெரியணும் ஷுட் ஐ கண்டினியூ மை ஸ்பீச் இன் இங்கிலீஷ் ஆர் கேன் வி ஹேவ் இட் இன் இங்கிலீஷ் அண்ட் தமிழ் ஆர் என்டையர்லி இன் தமிழ் இட்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் தி ஆடியன்ஸ் பாயிண்ட் பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் நாட் அ சப்ஜெக்ட் ஸோ இன் விச் லாங்குவேஜ் ஷால் வி ஹேவ் it has to come from students point of view.
Sir, English.
English. English itself, okay, sir.
Girls, kindly answer.
Okay,
Sir,
I
English.
Sir,
English.
English.
Then okay. Then very much
Sir,
good.
English.
I have to appreciate this because
Two
mostly
languages are
people.
okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am, fine. We will have in English for 70-80% of the time. The remaining 20% or whatever, we will have it in Tamil also. Okay, let us get into the session. See, first thing is, I believe that all of you are first years. Just now you are entering inside the college and probably not in a physical format, maybe in the online mode. Most probably you might also get the experience very soon. We are hoping for that. See, the mistake that we are doing is not supposed to happen. I did my undergraduation in one of the best college. I will be sharing few of the experiences that students were doing. And I am also handling for the same people. I am working in Loyola also as a guest faculty. And I see the stimulation that is happening in that particular institution. I will be sharing that also. See, in the first year itself, if you are not clarifying or having little clarity about what you're going to do afterwards, it will be little problem for you in the future. It's not like நீங்க வந்து லைஃபே வந்து விட்டுருவீங்க. No, academic is different, life is different. Don't mix these two very much. Okay, va? So ensure that your academic clarification is clear. It can change. See, I might think of becoming an auditor. I wrote the exam, I couldn't clear, so I'm planning for corporate secretaryship. I wrote for corporate secretaryship, I couldn't clear, I'm going for MBA. That is different. But not having a plan is what concerns me and bothers me. So first three best degree I will say that you can do immediately after your BCom A&F or BCom general for that matter. The first preference I would personally give for MBA. Okay, sir, இதுதான் ஊர்ல இருக்க எல்லாரும் சொல்றாங்க MBA. Can you say something different? Yes, we have it. MBA, either do it in finance. Don't go for HR, don't go for marketing. Since the reason is you are A and F students. See, if the most important component of a person's body should be heart or brain for that matter. Likewise, the most important component of a commerce student is accounts and finance, nothing else. Marketing, HR, all these components will be coming in the later part. So if you are planning to go for MBA, you have to better choose the MBA finance. No doubt about it. Okay, MBA finance alone you should have. Suppose if you are saying that, sir, I have certain passion on HR, certain passion on marketing, then it's up to you. Definitely you can go for it. But give first preference for the MBA finance. Next one. Don't think that I'm only going to talk about the academics. A lot of stories will be inside it. The second part is, in case if you are interested in law, okay, you are interested in business law itself, you are not deviating and going for the common law, you are interested in the law means go for LLB after completing your undergraduation. Okay, that is very much appropriate. People think that it is like interdisciplinary. Of course it is. You are right now doing BCom A&F. You can go for LLB in the future. So keep this also in consideration. And third part is, if you want to become a professor like me, or if you want to become a research an assistant, or if you want to pursue your career in research, go for MCom. After completing MCom, going for a corporate may not be very appropriate. Suppose for instance, நான் MCom முடிச்சிட்டேன், அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து corporate ஜாபுக்கு போனோம்னா, yes, of course, you can go. There are many vacancies for it. But avoid it. You must give first preference for the research as well as for the teaching when it comes for the MCom. There are reasons for it. Sorry. Degree programs after BCom. This is what the first point I wanted to stress. Now let us move into the practical part. I will discuss about these aspects. Then we will look into the academic oriented aspects. See, இப்போ வந்து you have entered the college. You are entered the college. You are fresh to the college. Or maybe some of the second years might be there. I'm not sure about the audience. But all of you are degree holders. I mean, degree you are pursuing. In this case, in the vayasula, there will be, in the age, there will be lot of deviations. It must happen. Okay, that is how naturally things work for a human being. You will have lot of deviations. There will be personal deviation. There will be family problems. There will be financial issues. And there will be some relative issues. Or maybe, for instance, if you take my own family, day before yesterday, when I was taking my car, நான் என்னோட கார் வந்து யூஸ்வலாக எடுக்க மாட்டேன், பட் ஒரு சின்ன ஒர்க்காக நான் கார் எடுத்தேன். அப்போ அப்பா சொன்னார், அருண் ஏன்ப்பா பைக் எடுக்கல இன்னைக்கு அப்படின்னு. நான் சொன்னேன், அப்பா இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஐ எம் ஆக்சுவலி கோயிங் சம்வேர், அது முடிச்சுட்டு நான் பைக் எடுத்துப்பேன் அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன். And then he said, one good news is there for you. I asked what? He said, the loan that we were having, he was having a loan of 10 lakhs. He said, I completed that loan. I asked him, from where did you got the money? He said, I bought another loan. அந்த லோன் வந்து பேங்க் லோன். இந்த லோன் என்ன பண்ணாருன்னா, பேங்க் லோனை அடைக்கிறதுக்கு அவரோட ரிலேட்டிவ் கிட்ட காசு வாங்கி கொடுத்தாரு. It was actually disturbing me. Reason is, I have my own family. I cannot financially support my father very much because he is having his own separate part, because that is his own expenses. So that disturbs me. அன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I was little upset. அவர் சொன்ன அந்த வேகம் அதெல்லாம் வந்து it was kind of, these things will demotivate people. Naturally, every day, some way or the other, there will be some demotivations. There will be some problem. Every day there will be some kind of changes, because we have to remember that we are monkeys without a tail, isn't it? We are an evolved being, but still there is a monkey inside us. If you look into Lord Vishnu பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, since நம்ம காலேஜ் கூட பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it's a minority institution, you will be like learning about all this philosophical part. If you look into விஷ்ணுவோட தலைக்கு மேலே பாம்பு இருக்கும், தெரியுங்களா? விஷ்ணுவோட தலைக்கு மேலே பாம்பு இருக்கும். லார்ட் சிவாவுடைய on his neck there will be snake. What is the point? எதுக்கு snake இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, see, we are having this reptilian brain inside us, survival mode. When we are hungry, we wanted to eat. If someone is trying to kill us, we will take the knife and kill him back. We are having this survival mode still now. So that survival mode should not be inside us, it should be outside us. That is the indication that Lord Vishnu is having snake outside his head, not inside his head. Lord Shiva is having snake outside. So adanala vandu, of course they are lords, but we need to consider that these kind of reptilian brain will be there with us. We will react. நேச்சுரலாக சின்ன பசங்க தானே 18 years 19 years 20 years you will not have much understanding about what is happening, including me. See, a person who is 60 years old will say the same thing to me. A person who is 40 years old will say the same thing to me. A person who is 60 years will say the same thing to the 40-year-old. Different generation. We say, right, X, Y, Z, all this will happen. But in spite of all that, you need to remember certain things. இது we are not saying that லைஃப்னா அப்படி தான் இருக்கும், you have to come back. I'm not talking about the motivational part. I'm talking about things that you need to remember. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் ஃபேமிலியோட எக்கனாமிக் ஸ்டேட்டஸ். அப்பா எவ்வளவு சம்பாதிக்கிறாரு, அம்மா எவ்வளவு சம்பாதிக்கிறாங்க. how much my father is earning, how much my mother is earning, how much struggle they are experiencing to get that money. That is the one thing I want you to learn. Struggle behind your father's salary, struggle behind your mother's salary. What you can do is you don't ask appa what are the struggles you are experiencing, what is the rapport that you are experiencing with your manager. No, don't do all this. Just pay observation, pay attention to his life. That's it. You don't say anything, you don't talk anything, just listen to what is happening between husband and wife. ஒட்டு கேட்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும், but it's not so. You are trying to understand the family's economic status. Very important. Second one பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, we used to say one thing, அதாவது I want to become like superstar, I want to become like Mukesh Ambani, I want to become like so and so. It's actually wrong to say that you want to become like someone, because if you want to become like Mukesh Ambani, then you should have a father called Dhirubhai Ambani. Otherwise you cannot become, right? If you want to become like Mukesh Ambani, then you should have father like Dhirubhai Ambani, which is not present. So therefore, first thing self-willingness. Self-willingness don't take it in a very wrong track, which may deviate you from your life. First thing now since we are doing admission duty, I will say students will come to our college, 12th freshers, after completing their I've been in the admission side for nearly like 3 years. 3 varshama I'm looking into the admission. People come for BCom General. In case if they are not getting BCom General, they will come for BCom CS. If they are not getting BCom CS, they will go for BA English. If they are not getting BA English, they will go for Viscom. In the mari each college will have this problem. You forget the college part. Let us look into a student. Enakku edu pudikum? What is my willingness? In which aspect I am good at? Can you find this out? It's very difficult. Today you will like one thing. Today you might like strawberry ice cream. Tomorrow, after experiencing butterscotch, you may feel like butterscotch seems to be better than strawberry. Day after tomorrow, you might experience chocolate, and you say that chocolate is better than that. See, we have these choices, and we always compare. But my point is, in which area you are having the self-willingness. Self-willingness is, see, it's not something that you are born with, or it's not something that you are made for. It is something that you start loving in whatever that you are doing. For example, right now you are in BCom A&F. Whether you loved this profession, or whether you wanted to choose this, or it was a decision of force, a decision made by your parents, whatever the case may be, you should start loving that. That is what I mean by self-willingness. As a student, you should start loving the A&F. And remember, A&F is the number one BCom. Anywhere, anyone you ask, they will say BCom A&F is the best. You know the reason? As I told you, A&F, accounting and finance, is the heart of the commerce. You should feel that proudness. And the கெத்துன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா தமிழ்ல, அது நேச்சுரலாக இருக்கணும். எப்பயுமே ஜென்ரல் அண்ட் தென் ஜென்ரல் அஃப்கோர்ஸ் இட்ஸ் அ வெரி சேஃப் டிகிரி, பட் A&F is considered to be little special always. அது நீங்கள் அந்த டிகிரி மேலே you should start owning it. You should start loving that. And at the same time, second one, I am looking into this ability part. This ability is, I will be like dealing with it separately. I'll just hold it. மூணாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the salary package you need to remember. See, I cannot reveal my salary, but I can say that I am earning very reasonably well. In the sense, how can you say that is, I got married at the age of 24. நான் பையன் தான், சரிங்களா? அதனால 24 years ரொம்ப early இல்லையா? Not even 24 completed. I got married at 23 years, 9 months, I think, 9 months. And it was entirely, the expenditure was borne by myself. Not even 1 rupee I got from my bride, groom, nothing, no family. I just wanted to create one small kind of like அதாவது ஒரு புதுசாக நம்ம பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்டையர் ஃப்ரம் த ஃப்ளவர் டு த கோகனட் டில் த லாஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பெண்டிச்சர், என்டையர் எக்ஸ்பெண்டிச்சர் வாஸ் மைன், இன்க்ளூடிங் த கேர்ள்ஸ் ட்ரெஸ். So this was my aim and I did that. The reason is at the age of 23.9 months, I was able to earn reasonably well salary package. The reason is, as I told you in the very beginning, if you are going to work in one place, it may not give you much pleasure. So you should work in two places. That is one thing. Adu orma vechukonga. Salary packages based on your family situation, based on your future family, based on your expectation, based on your talent, it should be there. In case if a salary package is not to the point in which you are expecting, you can have the option of quitting. Everyone used to say that you should not have this thought that the salary kaga work pannakoodadu. No, don't do that. You should work for the salary. Even for a professor, I will say the same thing. You are a professor, right? You should work for the salary. Salary is very important because you are your own family. உனக்கு ஃபேமிலி இருக்கு, குழந்தை இருக்கு, குட்டி இருக்கு. So you should work for the salary. But don't keep that as the ultimate. Okay, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி தான் we are having self willingness, what you are capable of, and then salary package, and then whatever that you are planning to do. You are in first year. சார் என்ன சார் எதோ சொல்றீங்க அப்படின்னா, see, நாங்கள் பண்ண தப்பை நீங்கள் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு தான் நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொன்னேன். வி ஹவ் மேட் லாட் ஆஃப் பிளண்டர்ஸ். வி இன் த சென்ஸ் ஒரு 10 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி பிகாம் படித்தாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த கேட்டகரின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. வி மேட் லாட் ஆஃப் பிளண்டர்ஸ். வி மேட் பிளண்டர்ஸ், அவர் ப்ரொஃபசர்ஸ் மேட் பிளண்டர்ஸ், and our school teachers made blunders. I don't want that to happen. That's why I always stress whatever classes I take, as I told you, from morning to night I take class. At least 10 minutes of the class I will spend for career opportunities. That has become my habit. Now in this case also, if you pay attention, the job that you are planning to go, is there future scope for it? How can we predict the future? So it doesn't make sense to me. See, we are not talking about like ஒரு 50 வருஷம் 100 வருஷம். No, you pay attention to what is happening to the world right now. What is happening? இப்போ என்ன நடக்குது? According to that, you can little bit be able to predict the future. Very much possible. For instance, இப்போ பேங்க் ஜாப் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. After 5 years, do you think, touch your heart with certain awareness, எல்லாருமே பேங்க்குக்கு தான் அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுவாங்களா? யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. After 5 years from now, எல்லாரும் வித்ட்ரா பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேங்க்குக்கு வருவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களா? நோ, பீப்புள் ஆர் nowadays not going to the bank. They are doing this UPI transfer and other things are happening. Every transactions are happening in online transfers, most of the cases. Of course, rural side எல்லாம் போனீங்கன்னா இல்லை. But what I'm saying is after 5 years from now. So there is going to be little scope for the banking. Little scope. But there is going to be a changeover. The technology will be taking over and there will be certain change. For example, think about faculty teachers. Think about my own self. 5 வருஷத்துக்கு கழிச்சு இந்த டீச்சிங் ப்ரொஃபஷனுக்கு இப்போ ஆல்ரெடி என்ரோல் பண்ணுற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மறுபடியும் வருவாங்களா? ஐ மீன் அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் வருமானு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் a question mark. Because nowadays people are little cautious. Why should I spend 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs for a degree program if I can get 2,000, 3,000 certificate programs? Knowledge matters. So maybe in the 5 years the degree could be becoming online. Already it is happening in many colleges. 3 years program ஆன்லைனில் கொடுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், there is a university called Jain University. அந்த காலேஜில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 years program online. They are starting. Likewise, many colleges are starting. So there could be a change. I am also handling classes for Loyola PULC. அங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா for one faculty 1,000 students because of online. Before that it was only 70 students, 80 students. Now it has become 1,000 students. So there is a retrenchment happening for the teaching profession also. So please look into the future scope. Little careful-ஆ இருக்கணும். அடுத்தது சி, நம்ம எல்லாருமே தமிழர்கள், தெலுங்கர்கள், கர்நாடகா, கேரளா, எதுவாக வேணா இருக்கட்டும். பட் அல்டிமேட்டாக வி ஷுட் திங்க் தட் வி ஆர் இந்தியன்ஸ். ஓகே, யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆன் த பார்டர் and save the country. You can be inside the border and earn well, pay tax to the government. That is also a national development. You have to ensure that as a student, what maximum you can do is, you have to earn well. நல்லா சம்பாதிக்கணும், நிறைய டேக்ஸ் கட்டணும், நிறைய செலவு பண்ணணும். You have to do a lot of expenditure because what is happening when you are spending some money, where the money is going? For example, you are spending on one ice cream. 50 rupees going to the ice cream owner, ice cream shopkeeper. That ice cream shopkeeper will be giving this 50 rupees to his son or daughter, and they will be going to a cinema theater, and cinema theater person will be going to a footwear shop, chappal shop. and he will be purchasing 100 rupees chappal. So the money, when it is going from one place to another, when the money is going from one place to the another, one place to the another, eventually what will happen is there will be a generation. Money generation will create more employment. More employment will create more tax for the government. More tax for the government will result in better subsidies for the people. And the by the people, for the people is clear, that will happen. So you have to go for a job, not only for the sake of salary, not only for the sake of your willingness, not only for the future scope, but also it should somewhere connect with our own country, national development. These 5 things, you have to take it very seriously. இது வந்து நீங்க சொல்லி தான் எங்களுக்கு தெரியணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை சார், ஐ நோ இட் பர்சனலி அப்படின்னா வெரி குட். ஐம் ஹியர் டு ரிமைண்ட் யூ, ஐம் ஹியர் டு ரிமைண்ட் யூ. புதுசாக இருக்குது சார், இந்த வயசில் எதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் சொல்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னா, சி you may be young for these kind of things to be serious in life. You don't have to be serious in life, but there are certain things that you need to remember since you are female, right? எல்லாரும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ வந்து பெண்களாக இருக்கீங்க. Once I asked one question in the ஒரு கான்ஃபரன்ஸில், அப்போ ஃபிசிக்கல் 2019, I asked one question. I asked, it was a women's college. I asked them to give 5 leaders name. 5 லீடரோட பேர் சொல்லுங்க, இறந்தவங்களோ இருக்கிறவங்களோ, வாட் எவர், give me 5 leaders name. அப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா out of 5 only 1 female leader was there. I randomly picked 2-3 people and I told them to come to the stage and give some name. எல்லாரும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அப்துல் கலாம், ரஜினிகாந்த்லாம் சொன்னாங்க. And then they also did Sundar Pichai. I don't remember it much, but the number of female that they told is very less. I was in women's college, not even 1 male was there. And ஒரே ஒருத்தங்க ஜெயலலிதா something they told. Problem is women should come up in life. மகாத்மா காந்தி கூட இதுதான் வந்து அவர் in 1930-40s after all this realization he told that if a country needs to be developed, a woman should be empowered. That's it, point blank. A woman should be empowered. Male automatically empower ஆயிடுவாங்க, female should be empowered. And the female empowers, the nation will be developing. அந்த பாயிண்ட் வந்து மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. பிகாஸ் ரிமெம்பர், இன் திஸ் பேண்டமிக் டைம், இன் ஜென்ரல் கான்டெக்ஸ்ட், யூ ஷுட் ஏர்ன் மணி. சம்பாதிக்கணும், ஃபேமிலியை பார்த்துக்கிற அளவுக்கு சம்பாதிக்கணும். ஏன்னா வந்து திங்க் அபவுட் யுவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ். ஆஃப்டர் தே ஆர் 60-70 years, who will take care of them? Who will take care? Literally, the parents cannot stand. மெடிசன் எக்ஸ்பெண்டிச்சர் நல்லா இருப்பாங்க, திடீர்னு வந்து ஏதாவது வரும். என்னதான் இன்சூரன்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டிருந்தா கூட there will be some problem. For example, my father is an angio patient. It happened day before yesterday. I was having dinner with him together. Next day, he had a heart attack. Immediately we took to hospital. Within like 4-5 hours, midnight and the 3 mani irukkum illaya, early morning 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock he knocked my door and said that, Arun, my chest is paining. Immediately I took the car and I went to the hospital. They said, sir, it's a very serious issue. Ambulance la potu 5 o'clock வந்து அந்த angio பண்ணிட்டாங்க. This all happened in morning time. We do not know when what will happen, and they cannot. You should take care of the family, and a girl should be more responsible. Of course, equally with a boy, but we are not here to create any disparity. The women should come up in life, not only for the national development, but for the family welfare also. So these things, please remember. You take a screenshot, keep it as your wallpaper or DP or whatever for one day, something, and then next day keep it in your gallery and ensure that at least you see this for one day. It's a reminder. You know this, but it's a reminder. Next point. See, this is relating to your academics. Now, first I spoke about the life in general, kind of like a life motivation, I believe so. Next, we are looking into the future plans that you need to have it in your mind. See, 5 things I am mentioning. I'm again repeating, you should not make the mistake. You should go in the right track. You are very young, you are having enough amount of time, you are not very much focused on the money as of now, you don't have any problem. You might have a problem, but comparatively it's very less. So take up these 5 things very seriously. Another 5 things relating to your academics. For example, you are doing your A&F or general for that matter. In one semester, there is a paper called financial accounting. Fine. In financial accounting itself, there is a certificate program. Financial accounting certificate program irukku. Enga irukku sir idellana? In Coursera, in Udemy, in EDX, in MOOC. இதெல்லாம் வந்து your faculties will know better than anyone. Ask your faculties, ma'am, where can I do the certificate course for this particular program? That's it. You just ask your faculty. I wanted to do financial accounting certificate. எங்க மேம் பண்றது? First you should select the paper. See, in one semester, in every semester, first semester, second semester, third semester, in every semester there will be 2 or 3 core papers. Select one core paper which you think is very appropriate. Suppose if you are selecting corporate accounting, do one certificate program on the corporate accounting. Money நிறைய ஆகாது. It won't cost much. Hardly வந்து 500 600 program இருக்கு. One certificate program, one semester. Please complete 6 certification when you are completing your BCom. Take it very seriously because I was a nodal officer last semester. Nodal officer அந்த பேப்பர்லாம் திருத்துவாங்க இல்லையா, கரெக்ஷன், அதில் வந்து இன்சார்ஜ் மாதிரி. So nearly 200 students comes under me. 250 students வருவாங்க. Everyone got 70%. Everyone 70%. Some of them got centum 90, 80. But when they came for their degree certificates, when they came for talking with me, when I asked them any question, they couldn't answer anything. Basic questions, they are not able to answer. The reason is, we know how the exam happened. They just wrote what their friends wrote, what the Google stated. These things will not work in company. We think we are smart, but the corporates are much smarter than us. Companies know which person to be recruited, who is capable of working for us, who is having the tendency, capability for working with us in the future. So they know it very well than us. So we don't have to think that we get 70%, we'll get a good job. No, you should try to be unique among the crowd. So for that, do some certificate programs. Any certificate programs. Okay, you keep this in the mind and please ask your faculties. Another thing is, if possible, after you complete your BCom, A&F and General, go for any diploma program or master's program for that matter. If you are not able to do master's full time, go for a part-time diploma. Part-time diploma, PGDM would be a better option. PGDM in finance would be better. PGDF, post-graduation diploma in finance. Like that you can think of. Second one, I wanted to stress on this one, practical experience. For example, last month, one of my student, she is a student of Indian Maritime University. She was asking me, sir, I want internship. Please try to connect me with some companies. I told her, fine ma, I will try my best. And she is an Indian Maritime University that they all come under this logistics. She said, I wanted to be in port. I spoke with nearly 17 ports and I couldn't connect what she is expecting. She wanted to be as a port assistant, something, a position, but that one is very difficult to get. As a faculty, it's difficult for me to get a job for the student. Then think about the student's experience after completing BCom. It's going to be very tough competition. It's going to be very difficult to get a job. So therefore, whenever you study something, whatever the case may be, whether the faculty is stating in the classes or not, secondary. When the particular program is discussed in the class, you look into the practical applicability of whatever has been discussed. உதாரணத்துக்கு, think about parachute air oil. Parachute air oil இருக்கு இல்லையா? இப்போ இந்த parachute air oil வந்து அது உண்மையிலேயே air oil-ஆ இல்லைன்னா அது cooking oil-ஆ? Can anyone answer this? Supreme Court's question. Supreme Court is asking whether parachute is a cooking oil-ஆ இல்லைன்னா வந்து hair oil-ஆ? The company, Marico is the parent company of Parachute. Parachute is a product, right? Brand. Marico is stating it's a cooking oil. It's a cooking oil. நீங்க தலையில போட்டீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு நாங்க பொறுப்பு இல்லை. Because if it's a cooking oil, the excise duty is 0%. It's a essential commodity. If it's a cosmetic, the excise duty is high. So Parachute is a cooking oil. It's not a head oil, air oil கிடையாது. And the Parachute company, Marico, won the case against the government of Maharashtra. இது ஒரு கேஸாவே போச்சு. அக்கவுண்டிங் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 1 இது நான் சொல்றதெல்லாம். சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் ஓவர் ஃபார்ம். சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் தான் முக்கியம், ஃபார்ம் முக்கியம் கிடையாது. Can you get the point? Accounting standard 1, what it is stating? Substance over form. உள்ள என்ன இருக்கதோ முக்கியம், வெளியில இருக்கிறது முக்கியம் கிடையாது. So Parachute உள்ள இருக்கிறது cooking oil. வெளியில பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது வந்து it might look like a cosmetic oil. But substance is important than the form. Accounting standard 1 use பண்ணி the company won the case against the government of Maharashtra. இதுதான் practical experience. சும்மா நான் just was thinking about it and it came to my mind. Like that, any topic we take, there are things. We have this proverb, right? கட்டுறது கை மண் அளவுன்னு. இன்னும் சொல்லணும்னா கட்டுறது வந்து இன்னும் மண்ணு கூட வராது, அந்த அளவுக்கு நமக்கு தெரியாது. ஆட்டம் சைஸ்னு கூட வச்சுக்கலாம். Lot of things to learn. You have to connect. The one good thing that is happening in the digital takeover is anything, if I say something wrong, immediately it can be Googled and found whether it is correct or not. If I am saying something and I'm saying that this is the best, there are hundreds of research articles regarding that. Suppose if I'm talking about some topic and saying that this is the best information available, like this information, there are hundreds of journals and articles available in the Google. You don't have to worry about it. So whatever you study, try to connect with the practical experience. And another important thing is, see, இப்போ வந்து online education கொஞ்ச நாள் போகுது. You are being in online. I'm not very sure about how well I'm motivating you in this class. In the last 30 minutes we've been conversating. I'm not very sure because if you were in physical, my way of lecture will be entirely different. In online mode, I'm not able to connect with you much. Okay, but we need to understand that this is the reality now. So in online classes, the faculty may not be able to give the best. So don't judge the faculties. What the problem we are experiencing, you try to accept it. It's very difficult to teach in online, especially accounting papers. I'm handling corporate accounting. I'm also working on a book. I'm not completed yet. On corporate accounting, it's very difficult to teach in class. So what you should do is you try to listen to the class well and take notes whenever possible, and please Google about whatever is being discussed. This part. Next one is on your future plans. Please keep these two things in your mind. I will say it together: entrepreneurship and partnership. See, when we are talking about partnership, I don't want the accounting and finance students to think as a general partnership. What we have to focus here is LLP, limited liability partnership. Anything that you do, it should be formal. When it comes for money making business, it should be 100% formal. There is no such thing called we will have a partnership without a document. No, strictly everything should be registered. என்ன கேட்டிங்கன்னா ஒரு டீ கடை ரோட்ல இருக்குன்னா கூட அதை ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். என்ன இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ வில் ஜஸ்ட் புட் ஃபோர்த் அ கொஸ்டின், யூ திங்க் அபவுட் இட். ஹவு மச் மணி டஸ் இட் டேக் டு கிரியேட் அ கம்பெனி? For registering a company, because I've been doing this process. For registering a company, you might have some numbers. You just think about it. ஒரு கம்பெனியை ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1% கம்பெனி, 1% can start a company. 1% company, it will take 11,500. In January month, I did one for my friend. I did the process. 11,500 ரூபாய் for starting a company. 11,500. You can start a company. You are paying some semester amount, right? அந்த காசுக்கு ஒரு கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். Similarly, what about, sir, that is fine. What about private company? For starting a private company, registration process and everything, it will hardly take 18 to 25,000. 18 to 25 for starting a private company itself. Public company is a separate story. We are not talking that. But for starting a OPC, limited liability partnership, or private company for that matter, the registration process, everything has become very, very simple. If you are having some reasonable amount of money, 25,000, say for example, you will be able to start a company. So don't think that starting a company is difficult. Running a company is different. Running a company is difficult. Making it as a profitable venture is difficult. But starting is not difficult. So I have this thought that I should become an entrepreneur, and I can also join with my friend and start a partnership firm. This also keep it in the mind. Now, let me come to the core part of what I wanted to discuss in today's class. This one only. A list of government exams. When you can zoom little bit and see, because the letters are very small. I couldn't put it in this slide, but look into this. When I was talking with my friend in March month, I remember the conversation because I had one small clarification. So I went to his house. He is preparing for his civil exam. He cleared his prelims, mains. He is waiting for the interview. So I was talking with him. What is the best thing that I can say to students? After all my conversation, I was discussing that. He said that since we both studied together, he was my school friend. We both studied together. There are a lot of things I came to know after studying civil exam. That is, you can see the UPSC in this part, UPSC. After studying for UPSC, he came to know that there are different exams apart from the UPSC. The list I have been kept in the Group A and Group B service. You can focus on that particular exam. For instance, you pay attention to this one, Indian PT Accounts and Finance Service, very much connected with A&F. That's why I kept on the top. Indian Railway Accounts Service, IRS, Indian Revenue Service, Indian Revenue Service, for IT, and then Indian Trade Service, Railway Protection Force, Pondicherry Civil Service. Likewise, there are a list of Group A and Group B exams. My intention is take a screenshot of it before this session gets over or after the session gets over, before your first semester gets over. 3 slaps I'm giving. Now itself you should process something. You should select one exam, anything for that matter, any one exam. I've kept UGC NET. If you want to become a professor, you should clear this exam. You can go for UPSC, SSC, TNPSC, anything. But you should take one exam seriously. Any exam according to your wish. If you want me to say the most appropriate thing, I would say IAAS, Indian Accounting and Assistance Services. Okay, so you can go for IAAS, Audit and Accounting Service, or you can go for IRS, Revenue Service, or you can go for SSC, Tax Assistant, Tax Analyst. These government jobs are existing. I don't think school teachers will not say this because of time constraint, and college professors will not be able to say because of the syllabus focus and other variations. So it's difficult for the faculty to say you all the things. So you should take some special effort and see that these things are existing. From எவ்வளோ எக்ஸாம்ஸ் இருக்கு பாருங்க, இதில் ஏதாவது ஒரு எக்ஸாம், ஜஸ்ட் ஒன் எக்ஸாம், யூ டேக் இட் வெரி சீரியஸ்லி அண்ட் கிவ் அ ட்ரை. இஃப் இட்ஸ் கம்மிங், ஃபைன். இஃப் இட்ஸ் நாட் கம்மிங் ஆல்சோ, இட்ஸ் ஃபைன். But give a try, because it will increase your exposure, it will increase your tendency, and it will make you to think and see the world better. That's it. அதுதான் முக்கியம். கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் ட்ரை பண்ணால் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் கிடைக்கணுன்றது மட்டும் நோக்கம் இல்லை. You will come to know about a different world that is existing. It will create a new realm. It will create a new possibility, kind of like a silver lining for you. So think about all this. List of government exams that are existing. So, அடுத்த point. In the point, we will wind up and I will give you some 5-10 minutes speech, or 5 minutes or 10 minutes I will talk. Anything that you wanted to ask me, you can ask after this. Generally, you can ask. The problem is, people give more importance for CA, CS, CMA. The top 3 irukku parunga. CA, CS, CMA. Why don't you consider CPA and ACCA? That is my question. There are other list of exams. I didn't keep it much because you might think this is so much. See, நம்ம ஊரில் எப்படி ஆடிட்டர்ஸ் இருக்காங்களோ, whom we call it as a chartered accountant, an auditor. Many of my friends are auditor now. They became auditor. One of my close friend, he became an auditor at the age of 22, literally 22, first attempt. All India rank 32 on the payan. Anirudh. He got 32, all India rank, first attempt itself. And now he is doing his PGDM in IIM Ahmedabad. And his entire money is sponsored by Mahindra and Mahindra, his own company. Entire money, nearly 15 lakhs they are spending. The company is spending on his academic. No loan, nothing, no salary take. All this money is taken care by that company itself. But a bond is there that he should work for the company for another like 5 years. If he's going to live, there will be another issue. He has to pay the money back. But here the thing is, like how chartered accountants are existing in India, chartered accountants are there in United Kingdom. They are existing in United States. So you have to consider all this. America la irundha adukku innoru peru CPA. You can do CPA in India itself. One of my friend, when I did my undergraduation in Loyola, he got selected in Deloitte. He didn't have any post graduation, nothing. Literally a BCom graduate, not even completed 6th semester while doing the placement came. Now he quit the job in Deloitte. Now he's working in PricewaterhouseCoopers, Big 4 companies. Idu ஞாபகம் வெச்சுக்கோங்க please. There is a concept called the Big 4 companies: Deloitte, KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Ernst and Young. These 4 companies must be your ultimate target. Whether you are becoming CA or whether you are becoming CS or whether you are becoming CMA, you should work in these companies. These are all like exams. After completing, what you are going to do? You are going to work in a company, right? Which company? Big 4 companies. Or maybe Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is quite difficult, but you can actually try for Big 4 companies. Deloitte, KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Ernst and Young. Type Big 4 companies after the class gets over. I will give you the list of things that you need to do. So like how we are preparing for CA, there is a possibility that you can also give an attempt for CPA. இது இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சாலே I would be happy. இது உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதாப்பா, fine. Think about it. Like how we are having a company secretary in India, CS, there is a CS in United States also. அங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they will call him as a security secretary அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, எஸ்எஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. There are a lot of names for it. You can also become a company secretary in United States. You can become a company secretary in UK. You don't have to go there. That's the point. Companies, United States companies, UK companies are there in India. You can become a member of those companies studying for these exams. For example, if you are preparing for CPA exam, which is far, far easier than CA, much easy. If you are completing CPA, you can become an auditor for Deloitte company. You can become an auditor for Ernst and Young company. You can become for EY, PwC, KPMG. You can become for an Indian company, a subsidiary of a foreign. Okay, Deloitte India la it's not an Indian company, it's a subsidiary. You can become like that. So keep this in the mind. The top three and the CA, CS, CMA. Idu mari in another country, there is a CA, CS, CMA in a different name. Give more preference for the United States. Give second preference for the CA, for the UK. This is the point that I wanted to stress very much, because see, ultimately you have to understand that competitive exam must be given prior. It should be given the first priority, and your degree program should support that. Of course, the degree program will be supporting. If you pay attention, degree programs will definitely help you for studying any competitive exam, whether it is CA or CS or CMA. You should try to connect it first. And most important thing is, right now you are in the first year or second year. First year, please enroll for a program. What programs can I enroll? Go for CPA. That is my first point. Go for CPA. Don't go for CA. CA gives second preference. You just give first preference for CPA. Give second preference for ACCA. Then go for CMA. It won't be much appropriate if you go for CS, because you are A end of student. Suppose if BCom general students are there, you can go for CS. That is much, that possibility is very much fine. But if you are A end of student, go for CA and CMA. Likewise, there is a CPA, ACCA. Give first preference for the abroad competitive exams. Then if it's not working, maybe in the future you may consider. But definitely I'm saying you, it will be worth taking 100%, because my friends are there and I've looked into it very carefully and I've spoken with them, because they are very close friends. My best friend is a CPA. So I can see the life that he is experiencing compared with the chartered accountant. It's not an exceptional case. All the CPA for that matter. Right now, that person is in Bermuda. Okay, he was in United States. He will be having some works in Bermuda, and again he will be going back to United States. So this is the possibilities available after completing. No, during your undergraduation itself. You are doing right. Right now, இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சின்ன குழந்தைங்க யூஜி படிக்கிறீங்க, you have enrolled into college, you have entered inside the field. Immediately, if you should do. No, sir, இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு வேண்டாம், sir. I wanted to do post graduation. Post graduation, what I told, MBA I told. MBA means entrance exam is there, right? CAT exam. Don't go for normal B school. Go for the best B school. I will give one case. In Coimbatore, there is a college. You must be knowing that. PSGR, அப்படின்னு ஒரு college. I think 2 months before, I made a special lecture for them on UGC Net. That college is number 1 college in Tamil Nadu as of now. Women's number 1 college அதுதான். எத்திராஜ் ஸ்டெல்லா எல்லாரையும் அடிச்சுட்டு மேலே வந்துட்டாங்க. எப்படி? Within a matter of 2 years, this change happened. In 2019, that college was not even in B, I think. Now they are NAC A++. 3.7 CGPA out of 4. You may not get all this, but definitely faculties will know. 2 வருஷத்துல இந்த மாற்றம் வந்தது அந்த காலேஜ். அது காரணம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, there's a push from the faculty side, from the management side. Lot of welfare measures has been given for the students in terms of academics. Things changed. So why I'm saying this is, change can happen in any time. Within 1 day, within 2 years, the big change can happen in 1 day also. Demonetization is a case. GST is an example. பெரிய விஷயம்லாம் ஒரு நாள் 2 நாள்ல நடக்குது. Maybe the process might have dragged, but it was initiated in a matter of spur of a moment. So these kind of things you should keep it in the mind. For example, MBA பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா CAT exam வேணும். Go for best institutes like IIMs. Give a try. Give for the best. See, you may not get it. That is different. You may not get it, but there's a possibility that you might get, isn't it? When the possibilities are there, give for the best. For example, in Delhi University, there was a vacancy last year. The basic eligibility is you should have 10 years of experience. 10 years of experience, and you should have a doctorate, and you should guide students. I don't have any of that, but I will apply. just like that I will apply. Because I need to know the process. Because in the future, when I apply, I don't want to struggle. So I will have all the documents. When I complete one particular program, I will have all the required things. So I'm not giving myself as an example, but I'm just stating you that in certain aspects you have to be little careful. MBA வேணும் அப்படின்னா கேட் படிக்கணும். கேட் படிக்கணும்னா எங்கே படிக்கணும்? Go for the best institute for training. Bank exam, if I want to become a banker, then I should go for an institute. Which institute? The institute which has provided better result when it comes for the bank exam. I should go for SSC. இந்த எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லாம் யாருக்குமே தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. I'm not sure why this awareness has not come. The number 3 போட்டிருக்கோம் பாருங்கப்பா, SSC அப்படின்னா think about it very seriously. One of the classic best central government exam. It is having every post relating to the accounts and auditing. Think about it very seriously. SSC, TNPSC, Group 1, IBPS, bank exams, RRB, CTET. If you want to become a school teacher, you can go for CTET, Indian Railways. These are all major exams which are available. And when it comes for selection of the exams, be little careful and be little specific. Don't just say I am going to write for central government exam. Which exam, for which post, how many years of practice, how many failures you have faced, and how many levels of education, how many levels you have completed in the portions. All this must be very careful. You have to be little specific to succeed. Okay, so with that, I will remind this point again. Whenever you are taking some measure in the future, keep these 5 points in the mind. Family உடைய economic சூழ்நிலை, what is my willingness, and when it comes for the ability, as I was saying you, I will say the later, you focus on the exam and then find out your ability. Look into the past 10 years question paper and see whether you are able to fit it or not. This webinar or this session should not go in vain. My intention is, whether you listened well or not, one thing I will stress again, you have to do something apart from BCom A&F, no matter what. 100%. There's no change in that. BCom A&F and BCom General, one of the best programs that you're having, and you should feel proud and happy that you have got a very nice degree. Apart from that, you should do something. For example, CMA is an example. CA, or you can go for CPA. Something you should do. No, sir, I don't want all this means. You go for government exams. Prepare for the exam. It will take 3-4 years. You need to keep minimum of 4 to 5 attempts to get a job. It's not as easy like you will get a semester marks. It's very difficult because I know it personally. Exams. So I know how difficult it is to clear the exam. So keep this and this in your mind, and also the family situations, your willingness, salary package, future scope, and the national development. All this will give you a better picture about how you can move forward. I hope whatever I have given in a matter of like 50-55 minutes would initiated some amount of awareness, some amount of knowledge. Maybe it might also stimulate you to take a program, do some certificate program, always be on the right track, always be updated, and enjoy your life as much as you can. College life is one of the best of anyone's life. Enjoy it as much as you can, but at the same time, ensure that you don't become a burden for anyone. You should enhance your family situation, your own career, and all this must be happening. Okay, so with all this explanation, I thank you for this opportunity. I'm also there in YouTube. If you want, you can take a screenshot, put the link, and you can see it later. It will be about BCom. You can see this video. It is having around 1.4 lakh views. You can see this. So now, any questions from your side I can take, or else we'll wind up the session.
Students, if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma?
Sir, I do have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Can I?
Yes, please, ma, please.
Sir, you said about that
I'm sorry,
parachute hair oil.
I thought it's a student. Okay, ma'am. Yes, please.
Sir, you said us about that parachute hair oil and the case which completed.
Yes.
Yes, the substance inside is important and the form outside is not important. That was what concluded. But I do have a doubt. But parachute generally gives advertisement only focusing on the hair oil. It never says that it's a cooking oil. There is some other product which is called as LDR. I think it's being a manufacturer is Gold Winner. So they do give advertisements. It can be used as a skincare oil. It can be used as a hair oil. It can be used for even cooking. But I have never seen Parachute being advertised as a cooking oil or a edible oil. They give advertisement from our childhood. We have seen this. It's used as a hair oil. Why is that that point was not taken into account while giving judgment?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have just presented the screen. Can you see that parachute
Yes, sir.
box?
Sir, yes,
That
sir. Yes, sir.
yes. In that, there will not be a single word called air, HAIR. It's a
Yes.
100% pure coconut oil. And if you look into the advertisement, I will give one classic advertisement of parachute. A
Okay,
mother
sir.
and a daughter will be in kitchen with long hair,
Yes.
and they will be talking about air, but they will never say it's a parachute. They will talk how you are having a long hair. It's because I'm keeping oil every day. And then they will be doing some cooking in the kitchen. So in that case, it is very difficult to interpret whether they are talking about the cooking oil of parachute or the air oil, because parachute is also having different one, advanced air oil.
Yes.
You can see this one.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
you can see the
Ayurvedic. Yes.
Ayurvedic is there, and then we are having Jasmine advanced, and then we
Yes.
also have parachute air oil itself, this one advanced. All
Okay.
this will be exclusively for the cosmetic. But when it comes for
Yes.
the general parachute, like how I was saying the first picture, it's a edible oil, it's a coconut oil. And that's what the statement also. And the Supreme Court asked the question, if that is a cooking oil, absolutely fine, then why are you selling it in small, small packets? They said it is for the hostel people. For
Okay.
hostel purpose, people will be using it once a while. So we are also selling it for small package. And then they got one amendment also. It all comes under the standards, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So,
Yes,
but
ma'am. Thank you.
when taking India into consideration, where most of the people they don't have this much of knowledge. When I look into an advertisement, when my mom looks into it, she says, "Ah, okay, parachute na, it's a hair oil. If you ask a child, it's a hair oil." But why is
Yes.
that point not taken into consideration? As a consumer,
Then we,
of course, outer
uh,
part நான் படிக்கணும். As a consumer, நான் எடுத்து what is the rate, what is the manufacturing date, expiry date எல்லாமே நான் படிக்கணும். But when it is of India, இன்னும் நமக்கு அந்த consumer awareness வரல. ஸ்டில் வந்து இப்போ ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வந்து இப்போதான் வந்து பேராஷூட்ல வந்து நிறைய டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வந்துருக்கு. ஆனா காலகாலமா பார்த்தோம்னா பேராஷூட் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சது ஒரே ஒரு பாட்டில் தான். அப்ப
yes.
அட்வர்டைஸ் பண்ணும்போது why is that was not taken into consideration? உங்களோட பாயிண்ட் எனக்கு எல்லாமே புரியுது. பட் ஒரு ஜென்ரல் பப்ளிக் நாங்க போய் இப்போ வெளியே யாராவது கேட்டா கூட, ஒரு பாமர மக்கள் கேட்டா கூட பேராஷூட்னா என்னன்னா அது தலைக்கு தேய்க்கிற எண்ணெய் தானமா அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. why is that point was not taken into consideration? அப்ப அவங்க அந்த
Then,
மாதிரி advertise பண்ணிருக்க கூடாது இல்லைங்களா?
yes, that's correct point. Then we have to go back to the commercial law, because in commercial law there's a concept called caveat emptor. Let the
Yes,
buyer be
yes,
aware.
yes, yes,
So
yes,
a buyer should be aware about the program, the product, whatever it is. Accordingly, only the product, because when something happens beyond what they are stating, then the consumer is having all the right to go for the consumer court. But it is
yes,
inside the realm of a product. For instance, they don't say that it's an air oil, and then they are not paying tax. They are saying we have never mentioned it's an air oil. In nowhere in the advertisement we have mentioned. If we are mentioning, the product will be of a different nature. For example, it could be like Ayurvedic or whatever. But since we are not talking about it, it's the role of the consumer to be little aware, but not from the point of the producer or the one who is selling the product. So it's quite technical, ma'am. That's why new amendments have come regarding the parachute, that they cannot sell packets anymore. If you see in the previous time, they were selling it in packets, small, small packets. Now it is not possible for certain threshold. You can only get it for certain amount of liters, ml. For some 50 ml, 100 ml you can get. That is also very rare. And that was a change, because you cannot sell it for 10 ml, 15 ml, and 20 ml. You should sell for 50 ml. So change has been made by the government also, and the court has took some action. So definitely, this case will be taken as a stance. And in the future, when they are making advertisement, the board will ensure that you have to be little specific. You cannot just give an advertisement as such in broad. You have to be very specific. And now we can see some changes also. When we look into the parachute air oil latest advertisements, they are little specific on that.
Yeah,
They are
I'm
trying to.
able to see that. Yes, fair and lovely கூட fairness யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு glow and lovely-ஆ மாத்திருக்காங்க.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
those.
Correct. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. My
Thank
students,
you. Any questions, dear students, if you can ask? uh, relating to academics, career, or anything specific on the programs that we discussed?
Girls, this session is for you, so if you have any doubts, you can ask your questions, ma.
No, sir. Thank you so much for your information.
Was it good, ma? Did you understood
Yes,
well?
sir.
Was it good?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, ma,
Yes,
please.
yes, yes.
Vedavalli.
Sir, when compared to CMA and the CPA, which is the best, sir?
I would personally say CPA, ma. CPA is the best
Okay.
one when it comes for comparing between these two. Go for CPA.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. And also CMA, I will try to connect with ma'am and I will give some numbers of professionals who have completed CMA, CA, CS, whoever we have the contacts of it. You can also talk with those people. They are very student friendly because we are not getting the proper connect. In weekends, I will give the numbers. You can talk with those people. Get an appointment and talk in the phone itself. Don't have to go anywhere. You talk with those people who have completed that. That would be even better for perception. I'm giving this information for every students. You want to talk with the CPA means I will connect with the CPA. I'll give to ma'am. Ma'am will give the numbers to you. And you can connect with those professionals by asking an appointment. Sir, I want to talk with you when you're free, 8 o'clock. Fine. Give a call to the persons. And talk with them. You will get a better understanding about the particular exams. Okay, because that awareness should be there in the very beginning of your program. It should not drag after third year or second year. So that is my wish also. Go with that track. Okay, so any other questions you can ask me, or else we'll wind up the session for today.
Girls, do you have any questions?
I hope whatever is discussed is clear. Fine, ma'am. We can close, right?
Okay, okay, sir. Devi Priya,
Thank you, sir.
Devi Priya, are you there inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. This is Devi Priya, Department of Accounting and Finance, here to propose the vote of thanks. My heartfelt thanks to our resource person of the day, Mr. C. Arun Kumar, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Corporate Secretaryship, Don Bosco College, Chennai, for accepting our invitation to be a resource person of the day, today's motivational session. Sir, it was really good motivational speech. I also extend my sincere thanks to our management, correspondent Sri Gugilam Ramesh Sir, Principal Dr. Mohana Sri Ma'am, Vice Principal Dr. P. Vanita Ma'am, Vice Principal for Academic Dr. M.V. Nappinai Ma'am for guiding us in all our endeavors. My heartfelt thanks to our staff members, Ms. T. Pratibha Bharati Ma'am, Head Department of Commerce, Dr. M. Priyanka Ma'am, Head Department of Accounting and Finance, Ms. R. Kanimori Ma'am, Ms. V. Rekha Ma'am, Ms. S. Madhumita Ma'am of Accounting and Finance. Last but not the least, I thank all the first year for your kind cooperation. Once again, thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, Pratibha ma'am, and Priyanka ma'am. Thank you for the invitation, and it was a wonderful experience for me. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, thank you, sir. But please, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for your presence, sir. I hope students have motivated well and they have enjoyed your sessions too.
Thank you, ma'am. And dear students, if you have anything to say in the chat box, like how it was the session, good or whatever, please mention it in the chat box. I will keep it for my further developments.
Yeah, girls, you can send your feedback
Send a
now.
message in chat box. We'll look into it. Thank you, and God bless you. I'll be here since ma'am told me to wait.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Girls, all please on your camera to take a screenshot. Staff and students, all you please on your camera so that we can take your picture.
Veda, kindly on your video. Ma girls,
Yes, ma'am.
we have to take a snapshot, ma. Please switch on your video. Kani ma'am, is this okay? Kani ma'am, is that okay there?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I took staff now.
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, Kani ma'am, is that over? Kani ma'am, is that over?
Yes, over, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, thank you so much, sir,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity.
for accepting our invitation immediately. Really, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
It was a very good session, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Students here, be there in the link, ma. Okay,
Ma,
be there in the link.
students, please don't leave. We have to continue with the next session. Okay? Your seniors will get in. Kindly do wait, ma. Please don't leave. You are not supposed to leave. You have the session to be continued till 12 o'clock. So kindly don't leave. Am I clear?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
years,
Yes, ma'am.
both both A&F and BCom General. Please don't leave. You have to be here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Noora Shifa. Noora Shifa, yes, Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about Ganta Kumari?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka, Sarah Sunaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be in link now. Within 5 minutes, we will start the session, okay?
Yeah, Miss Manu.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Morning, ma'am.
So, first session of today was from a outsourced person. One second. One second. One second. My phone fell down. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. You're audible.
yes, ma'am.
So, first session was from an outsider.
Yes, ma'am.
The second session will be taken over by your passed out batch seniors of accounting and finance department. Okay. Become general, don't ask me where are our seniors. You are the first batch, so you don't have seniors. So kindly consider your A and F seniors as your seniors. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you will have
Okay, ma'am.
very good seniors of yours, like Noor Asifa, Kanta Kumari was the student president last year, shift 2, and Priyanka, Sara Sumaya, and who is the other one, ma? Yes, Divya. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Kanta was the student president, and S. Divya was student secretary, and Noor Asifa was the association secretary. Okay, and one more is Sara Sumaya, and the last candidate will be Priyanka. Okay, so இவங்கெல்லாம் இப்போ passed out. Just they went out, you have come in. That is the situation. So they are your seniors, the right seniors. Okay, passed out batch. They will share their own experiences and they will motivate you now with their words. Okay, ma, kindly listen to them, and if you have any doubts also, you can ask them. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Kanimari ma'am. You can hand over the session to the students. Thank you.
Yes, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Priyanka, ma'am, you want to
Yeah,
speak now?
ma'am. I just wanted to welcome all the alumni over here. I hope you will get some motivated words from them and they will share their experience too, as Pratibha ma'am said. I welcome all the alumni.
Thank
Now
you, ma'am.
it's
You, ma'am.
yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I forgot
Thank you, ma'am.
to say that. Yes, welcome back. You are back.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now it's over to Kani ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon S. Divya.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to everyone.
Divya, kindly switch on
Myself,
your video, Divya. Please switch on your video. Yes.
yes, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. Myself, Divya. At first, I would like to thank for giving me this golden opportunity to share my experience at SKPC. One of the most interesting stage in my life that gives you opportunity to explore is the college. Life at college is the time when the teenage years end and we all dive deep into the ocean of new beginning and possibility. This golden period better equips you for all the challenges you will face in life and creates a strong foundation of knowledge. My experience at SKPC has taught me one fundamental thing: life is unpredictable. It might be good, it might be bad, it might be weird, and it might not interesting you. But accept anything to happen. College life prepares you for all of these situations. It is a perfect blend of joy and hardship. You meet different people, how to judge their behavior, thus helping you with important life skill. In college, you have the opportunity to learn from some great research mind. HOD ma'am and my department staff motivated me to participate in many competitions and share their experience, which will help us me to enrich my skill and knowledge. In 2020, I have elected as a vice president of Nakshatra Student Council, and in 2021 as a student secretary of Nakshatra Student Council. These helped me to improve my leadership quality, and I learned how to arrange the event and helped me to face the world with bravery and courage. College played a vital role in nurturing into a good human being. The teacher and the student share an intimate and intricate bond of love and respect. I would like to share about a placement cell. I got selected as an analyst in HCL through placement. The placement team helped me and taught me how to attend the interview and how to appear at the time of an interview, how to prepare ourselves, and many things. College has given me a chance to sharpen my skill in my field of choice. There have been and there will continue to be many opportunities to learn more ways of improving my craft. My time at college has enriched my life in many ways. It has provided me with the necessary tool to enhance my skill more, taught me valuable knowledge about this diverse world and people and concept in general, and even actually will enable me to hopeful become more successful in life. When I finally graduate and get my degree, I also stress to me the importance of thinking critical and asking questions in many situations. All these aspects of college have also made me more rounded as a person. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Divya, for sharing your views.
Thank
Now
you,
I
ma'am.
call upon Noor Ashifa to share her experience.
Hello, good morning to everyone of you present over here, and warm welcome to all the freshies to the new world, guys. I'm Noor Asifa, BrainTech Association Secretary. I'm one of the past out student of 2021 batch. I would like to extend my warm gratitude to all for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Once again, Noor Ashifa, your voice is not audible, ma.
Ma'am, now is it audible?
I think say a little loud, ma.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Noor Asifa, BrainTech Association Secretary. I'm one of the past out student of 2021 batch. I would like to extend my warm gratitude to all for giving me this wonderful opportunity to welcome all the freshers to our STPC family. This is surely a special day for you all, as today you are going to step into a fresh and new journey of your life, full of new challenges, milestones, and achievements. It is a day with many new mixed feelings of happiness, confusion, fear, and excitement. But don't worry, we all are here for you to make sure that this journey is memorable for you all. 3 years ago, I was also sitting at your place and waiting for the journey of life to start. And trust me, this is going to be the best roller coaster ride of your journey, full of your knowledge, growth, and ultimate success. The day you will end this journey, you will surely miss the memorable time that you are going to spend here. Well, today it is the day when the excitement is going to be at the peak. This is a perfect time to increase your friendship with your colleagues as well as your seniors. STPC is not just about your education and training, but also about building your personality, attitude, and versatile person. Uh, be ready to capture some magical moments and happy memories with your lecturers and friends, those who are there to support you for a lifetime with happiness. There must be a lot of questions flashing before you. What to say? How are people? What they will do? Will I be able to mix with them? Will I be able to get what am I searching for? For all these, I would like to suggest one word: just relax. I would like to suggest just one word: relax. When I started, I too had all these questions, but frankly, I got all the answers positively, and I believe you all will too. To conclude, I would urge you to meet and greet everyone and make a cordial relationship with all. I would like to ask you to be enthusiastic and be friendly to everyone in the event to come. Try to be an extraordinary person in every case to stand out and shine your way out. And we all have very high expectations for all people and are quite positive that you are going to cross all the barriers to fulfill those expectations. With efforts and consistency, you can achieve anything you wish. At the end of this journey, you are going to have a treasure of memories. In the last, I would like you all to enjoy this moment to the fullest. I would like to thank everyone for providing me this wonderful opportunity. I would like to thank the management, head of the department, and faculty members who had guided and supported me in all the situations. It was my pleasure to share my thoughts with you all and welcoming you all. What we learn with pleasant pleasure, we never forget. Much thank you to all.
Yes, thank you, Noor Ashifa. Now I call upon Ganta Kumari to share her experience with you girls.
Hello everyone, this is Kanta Kumari C, student president of Nakshatra Student Council, Shift 2, SPC. First of all, I would like to welcome you all for starting your new journey of college life with our college, Sri Kaneka Parmeshwari Arts and Science College for Women. It is a glad thing for me to share my experience with you all on this occasion. First, I was in second year, that is 2020. I was elected as Hindi Association Secretary, and now in the academic year 2020 to 21, I was elected as Student President. As Divya said, life is unpredictable. I was elected as Student President, then this lockdown and all came, so life is really unpredictable. But then too, we should live our life with full of happiness, and we did all the events of the academic years 2020 to 2021 through online mode only. Then too, we enjoyed it a lot. And many events in our college. Our college is not only about studies but also the extracurricular activities. We do program events. It is a full mixture of studies and also the programs events. There will be a lot of fun. We miss it a lot. The final year was quite not satisfactory, but it was okay because we spent our first 2 years very nicely with all the events programs. We enjoyed a lot. I hope you all will also enjoy the next 2 years very nicely. And I didn't prepare any big speech for this as Nurasifa and Divya prepared because I didn't get enough time for this. But then too, I welcome you all to this new journey, and I hope you will live your college life in very happily, very amazingly in our college. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Gantakumari. Now I call upon Priyanka R to deliver her speech.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all on this beautiful journey of new phase of life. It is a day full of mixed kind of emotion because the same way I felt, I assure you all this is going to be a memorable period for you all. Many of you might have various questions, but don't worry, we are all there to help you to find answer to all your questions. Try to be more connective with your colleagues as well as seniors, and we are all there to help you because we are very blessed with good teachers because they will help you all the times. Try to be more participative and be extraordinary, and then you see how will you end. You will surely find a bunch of happiness memory. You can explore yourself in various competitions and extracurricular activities. We have placement also. So when I was entering into college, I felt low, and but my thinking was really wrong. I just understand when I complete the college. But I assure you, you're going to be exploring the best in ever. And I had an opportunity of getting selected in HCL. It was greater experience. Like I felt really low, and I didn't know how to attend an interview. But our college gave training our college trained me, and they just made me mold and just ma'am one second. Our college trained in that way to make me mold and just got selected in one of the company, and I'm really very thankful for that. And I assure you, you all of you must get selected in one of the company while going out of the college. In that way, I'm blessed. Thank you, everyone. I would like to welcome you all once again to this beautiful family. I wish you all very best of luck for the future of on this journey of education and success. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka. Now I call upon Sara Sumaya to share her experience with you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm very pleased to speaking to you today on behalf of the SKPP Aluminium. I hope that you are as feel as expect as I am to be part of this great movement. I did like to draw your attention for a few moments. Hi, everyone. Hi, Dave. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
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 எல்லாரும் இருக்கீங்களா இல்லை மியூட்டை போட்டு ஏதாவது வேற ஏதாவது பண்றீங்களா?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, we are there,
Yeah.
sister.
I am Sarah, your senior. Okay. I have no much times actually. I finished my night shift and came, so I have don't prepared well. Okay. Um, at very outside, I could be express my best communicating to all the occasion of this day. I am very pleased to understand before you are the welcome all the juniors friends. I am congrats them all. They selected the best college in this district. It is known fact that we have a dynamic management, motivated lectures and development proposals. We are engaged in the beautiful environment. We are the seniors and are always ready to extend our helping hands to the juniors recording students. The functions like this will create a kind of friendship environment among us. We should not misuse our friendship. There is saying in the English that friendship is a friend that can across the equation of this life. This time I leave off these wishes to your bright future. All the best, everyone. Be happy. Be touch with us. We are here. We are your seniors. Contact my number anytime. Okay. Congrats, everyone. All the best.
Yes, thank you, Sara
Thank
Sumaya.
you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, all of you girls. Thank you, yes, Divya, Noora, Shifa, Gantakumari, Priyanka, and Sara Sumaya. Now I call upon Dr. M. Priyanka, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, Kani ma'am. Thank you, girls, for your wonderful talk. You just share your experience and just share your emotional too. I hope and I think students are enjoyed to see you girls. Am I right? Can I expect a response from first years?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you all yeah, do you all enjoyed? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
happy with them, right?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, today is the second day of college. Yesterday they had their orientation. Today is the second day of college. They got the motivation session at the first and second session. They got motivation from their alumni. I hope they were enjoyed and they are going to enjoy the further sessions too. And I just wanted to say a big thanks to all the alumni for your presence and just you were just talk to them and just you wanted to motivate them. We all happy to see you here in this platform. Thank you all.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
ma'am.
much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I invite Miss Pratibha Bharati ma'am to give a thank note.
Good morning once again. Okay, thank you, alumni students. Thank you, ma'am. Kanta, Noora, Sifa, S. Divya, Priyanka, Sarah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Not enough. Get your junior. Okay. I know
Ma'am, your
that
voice
we call
breaking.
now. Is it audible?
Yes.
Now is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
nice. You know that we called you at the last minute. Still, you have to come out better. Okay. Ma, do you want anything to juniors, first years? You want to ask anything to your seniors, ma? Did they ask you any questions? Did they ask you any questions?
No, ma'am.
So,
No, ma'am.
yes, if you
No,
want,
ma'am.
kind up and gentle. Girls, have any questions? You can ask. Have any
No,
doubts? You
ma'am.
can ask. Why is it you don't have any doubt, ma? First years, you don't want to talk to your seniors. Girls, kindly reply.
Girls, speak up.
Good
Girls,
morning,
if you
ma'am.
have
Actually, our senior said that they can contact us. How will we contact them?
No, that
Okay.
naturally you will do that. You will no. See, you will first have contact with A&M students. Then you will meet your seniors, current seniors. Then you will get back to your past batch. That will naturally happen. Don't worry, okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
immediately all the work this will happen. See, and you will tell me, yes, ma'am, we do have their numbers. You want their numbers? We will give. Okay, okay, ma. So first years, if you have any doubts, okay, you can ask them. Then of course, your friends will be everywhere. So definitely, you will get in contact, into contact with your seniors naturally. அதுக்கு நாங்க உங்களுக்கு தேவைப்பட மாட்டோம். That will naturally happen. Okay. So if you have any doubts now, since you are totally new, you can ask them. That, then, we can just. Just do you have any doubts or questions, ma?
No,
Before
ma'am.
your seniors?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you,
No,
dear.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Sarah, please, Vanda, ma, don't share your numbers, ma. Don't share your numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Your numbers, that will naturally happen. Okay? That will naturally happen. Okay, okay. Ma, session close பண்ணலாமா? Honey,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Yes, ma'am.
We close.
Girls, once again,
Attendance
please on your
எடுத்துட்டீங்களா?
video for photo session, ma. Please, everyone, on your video, girls.
Smile, please.
Lalita, your face doesn't shown. Your half face only shown. Show your full face.
Vashni, smile.
Yes, thank you, girls.
Ma, girls, see, yeah, seniors, right now you can leave, but students of A&F and BCom General, first years, please do stay. Alumni can leave. We'll talk to you later. First years alone, stay back. We have to take the attendance. Sunny ma'am, will you complete it or?
Thank you so
Yes,
much,
you
ma'am.
can complete, ma'am. Then I will take A in the attendance.
Okay, okay, okay. Please do wait, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, recording stop பண்ணிடலாமா மேம் அங்க